Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0089, indicates an issue with fuel pressure regulator performance in the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. This code is generated when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects that the actual pressure from the high-pressure fuel pump deviates significantly from the expected target pressure. The PCM monitors the fuel pressure to ensure optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. If it finds a discrepancy, it flags this issue and stores the DTC. The fuel pressure regulator plays a crucial role in maintaining the correct fuel pressure for efficient engine operation. This component is typically located along the fuel rail, and its malfunction can directly impact the vehicle's fuel delivery system. The error code P0089 specifically relates to the performance of the fuel pressure regulator, the high-pressure fuel pump, and the fuel rail pressure sensor. The high-pressure fuel pump generates the fuel pressure needed for fuel injection. It is generally located near the fuel rail and is essential for delivering the correct amount of fuel to the engine. The fuel pressure regulator controls this pressure to ensure that it remains stable under varying engine conditions. The fuel rail pressure sensor, integrated within the fuel rail, measures the fuel pressure and sends this data to the PCM. If there is a discrepancy between the actual and target fuel pressures, the PCM registers it as a fault, leading to the storage of the DTC P0089. Several factors could lead to the appearance of DTC P0089. One of the primary causes could be a faulty fuel pressure regulator, which may not be able to maintain the correct fuel pressure. Additionally, a malfunctioning high-pressure fuel pump can fail to deliver the appropriate pressure, thereby triggering this fault code. Other causes could involve obstructions within the fuel line, which can restrict the fuel flow and lead to pressure deviations. Damaged or worn components, particularly within the high-pressure system, can also contribute to abnormal pressure readings and should be inspected carefully. Drivers may experience various symptoms due to the DTC P0089. One of the most common symptoms is poor engine performance, as the fuel system struggles to deliver the right amount of fuel to the engine. Additionally, you might notice rough idling, which can be unsettling while driving, indicating inconsistent fuel pressure. Furthermore, reduced fuel efficiency may become evident, leading to increased fuel costs. In some cases, the engine may experience stalling or hesitation during acceleration due to lack of sufficient fuel pressure, which can significantly impact driving comfort and safety. The first troubleshooting step in addressing DTC P0089 is to start the engine and hold the RPM at 3,000 without load until the radiator fan activates. This step is crucial as it allows you to stabilize engine conditions before testing. Next, the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System should be used to conduct a detailed fuel pressure test. The results will indicate whether the fuel pressure is within normal limits. If the results are not okay, the issue has been replicated, confirming there is a problem requiring further investigation. This initial phase is essential for establishing a baseline before moving on to more complex tests. In the second phase of troubleshooting for DTC P0089, the technician must take the vehicle for a test drive. This allows you to observe how the vehicle operates under normal driving conditions. During the drive, it's essential to monitor various parameters such as engine speed, vehicle speed, and readings from multiple sensors like the manifold absolute pressure, MAP sensor, and throttle position, TP sensor. By reviewing these snapshot parameters, Insights can be gained into the vehicle's performance and pinpoint any deviations in fuel pressure under load. Performing this step thoroughly may help identify specific conditions that trigger the DTC. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC P0089, a final verification is crucial to ensure that the issues have been resolved. Begin by clearing any stored DTC codes in the PCM. Following this, it's necessary to take the vehicle for a test drive again to assess performance and stability. During the drive, monitor the fuel pressure readings to verify that they align with expected values. If no new codes appear and the fuel pressure remains stable, it indicates that the repairs have been effective. This step reassures both the technician and the vehicle owner that the problem has been adequately addressed. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid recurring issues relating to DTC P0089. Regular inspections of the fuel system can identify possible issues before they lead to a breakdown. Checking for wear and tear on fuel lines is particularly important, as any blockage or damage can severely impact fuel pressure. Additionally, replacing old or worn components like the fuel pressure regulator and high-pressure fuel pump can enhance system reliability. Keeping the fuel system clean and free from contaminants aids in maintaining optimal performance, thus preventing future occurrences of fault codes and extending the life of the vehicle. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0089 is essential for maintaining the performance and reliability of the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. This fault code highlights the importance of the fuel system's integrity and its components, including the high-pressure fuel pump and pressure regulator. A systematic approach to diagnostics ensures that underlying issues are identified and resolved effectively. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps, you can achieve a better understanding of the vehicle's performance and relevant symptomatology. Consistent preventive maintenance is key to minimizing the risks of encountering DTC P0089 and ensuring long-term vehicle health. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.